Okay, guys, it's Tim. We're gonna do something. I'm gonna do a swipe with some Amsterdam. The last one we used a blow dryer. This time I'm actually gonna use my palette knife and move it around that way. So, because like I said, I'm trying to get rid of this old paint, and so I gotta get rid of it. I've got quite a bit of it left over, so I'm just gonna kind of pick and choose as I go along and do this. I'm going to use black again for my background because I've got so much of it. Now this stuff here was freshly made up. It's good and runny, just like we like it. Okay, let me do it this way. Corner to corner. There we go, just a little bit. All right. I'll go from this corner up, the first one. Might do a couple of swipes across this. And then this is a darker blue. The last painting I did, I used a lighter blue of my leftover stuff, and it just kind of didn't go so great. So I'm going to leave it out of this one and see if it was something I did or if it was something that the paint did. There's no boogers in this. Okay. Ooh, gold. I do this because I really like how this gold is. Bling bling. All right. This is flotrol in white, and it's Amsterdam white that I'm using. Okay, now you know if you watch my videos, I usually don't use flotrol. I usually do just a water and paint mix, but I was having a hard time with my whites. I couldn't find a white that would work with water. So I went ahead and ordered some Amsterdam, so here we go. All right, folks. It's nice and slow, right across the paint. So you drag it. There we go. Getting some cells. But not much color. We'll see how this does. First, before we panic, okay, I see some blues. No, I forgot to move my garbage can. There's some yellows. There's some orange. Okay, you know, you put this on really, really thin, just so you got a little layer there, or else you wind up with ghosts, I call it. Okay, I'm going to do this side here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Mm-hmm. Ta-da-da. Now, if I start singing The Little Mermaid, I want you all to unsubscribe. Okay? Anyways. Got my print on demand website set up to where you can now purchase my work in a print style. So that basically means that instead of having to buy originals, You can buy it in print, get your own canvas, get it put on metal, get it put on a t-shirt, whatever it is that you want. That looks pretty cool. I kind of like it. So I think we need to open it up. So I need some more black. Oop. That was a lot. Are we going to be able to keep it? I don't know. There's a lot of paint. That's okay. We know what we're doing, right? Put on as much as you can get away with. Wow, these are going to turn out pretty cool, I think. It looks like it will so far. There we go. There we go. Wow, that looks pretty rad. Let's see what this does over here. I like it. Wow. Look at them colors. That is gorgeous. Wow-wee. Nice, nice, nice. See, I'm my worst critic, so when I say it's nice, it must be really nice, right? I don't know if you guys do that with your art, but with me, I'm really, really picky. Drives my wife nuts. Okay, let's see if there's any bubbles that can pop. Yeah, this is much better than the other one. Much better. Woo-wee! I like that. Let me grab you for a close-up because this is just outrageous. Alrighty, let's go at it. Wow. Look at them colors. Whew. That really pops. I'm impressed. I hope you all like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Okay, ask any questions you might have. Oops, there's a spot I forgot right there, huh? I'll get that. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll show you these when they're dry on the next video, okay? God bless. Thank you. Here's how this white turned out. This is completely dried now. So some of the colors stuck out more, some of them faded, but that happens. So I probably got to play a little bit with my pillow mix. Like I said, these are all used paints that I've been working with, so I mean ones that have been around for a while after mixing. So anyways, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.